What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got this brand new Lenovo Legion Pro OLED gaming laptop, and this is a very finally upgrading from this Xbox console, which has limited amount of aircraft. You guys I think want to really see more aircraft. So that's why I'm upgrading today. And you guys complained last time. Yeah, this is the comment. Complained about that Boris the PM the G737 sound. I'm very sorry. They did not even publish the 2020 until 2024. But even though in 2024 they PM the G really collaborated with Echo 19, and I think it's the best sound. So I'm gonna keep it for now. Comment down below if you're really interested in the Boris sound for me. If you'd like for me to try, for me to buy and try it for the 737. Anyways, we're gonna open this box and we're gonna set it up and connect it and get this Xbox out of here. So let's go ahead and open. I don't think so. We won't need a Japanese knife probably, but we might. Check in this box. Oh, she does still need a knife. Let's open that here. There we go. That's open. That open. That can open up. Oh boy. She's coming out. Oh. Yep. Drop that camera. Alright. Come on. So this is the cord. You can see. And this is the main charging unit. Very impressive. Now to get the main laptop out. And there she is. The first time appealing to me. Need to get that out of the wrapper. Give me a sec. I'll open this. Alright. This is what she looks like. Very impressive. Let's go ahead and open it. Whoa. She's a beauty. Let's power it up. Yeah, I think we might need to plug it in first. Alright, give me a sec. Let me plug this in for now. Update, she's plugged in. Let's try to turn it on now. Alright, she's on. Wow, you get this rainbow keyboard when you turn it on. This is what she looks like as you set it up. Wow, we got the Windows logo. Alright, time to set it up. Yes. Yes. Skip. Okay. 1 second for the Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is connected. And time to keep moving. I don't know, probably she's gonna need an update. It seems like she might need a restart. So we'll give her a moment. All right, she's restarted. Time to continue. All right, time to name my device. I'll say Arslan's gaming laptop. Oops. Oops. Can't do that. Alright, we'll skip for now. I'll do this later. Alright, just checking again for Windows updates. I'll check back if it's not. Well, apparent. Okay, I'm gonna have to update later. Later. Alright, she needs a moment again. Oof. She's quiet. Wants to be. Oh, time to sign in. And give me a second. Well, that took a little bit because I struggled with my password. All right, time to create the pin. All right, pin's created. All right, everything good. Keep going. Okay, she just almost ready. Oop. All right, customize experience. We're gonna skip. 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 Not now. Decline. Decline. Next. Skip. All right, we're in. Can't believe we did it. She's good to go. That was impressed. 10 out of 10. We did it. She's in. This is my own screen, I guess. Yeah. Alright, it's been a while. The computer is complete. Flight simulator is running. You can see I'm flying this fly-by-wire A380, as everyone loves this aircraft. Because, well, this is my actually second flight with the A380. I love it so far. The computer itself, well, checking it for a few weeks, it actually runs great. I have no issues getting the simulator to run. Yes, I'm still in the air with the A380, and this is my flight plan so far. I'm here operating, and then yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.